Is BreezaMax really the compact air cooler it claims to be, or just another overpriced gadget with clever marketing? Let's break it down and find out what's real and what's just hype. Quick disclaimer before we begin: everything in this video is based on publicly available information and personal opinion. BreezaMax, also listed as BreezaMax, promotes itself as a powerful portable air conditioner that cools your space fast using hydro chill technology. The device is often featured in flashy ads showing people beating the summer heat in seconds. On Amazon, it's available but has limited reviews, and on forums like Malware Tips, users have voiced concerns about exaggerated claims, poor cooling performance, and product quality. Some mention it's basically a glorified fan with a water tank, and others warn about refund issues and unclear return policies. There is no official Trustpilot page, so verified user reviews are limited, making it harder to gauge real-world experiences. BreezaMax isn't necessarily a scam. It typically works, but it may not live up to its bold promises. If you're expecting full room cooling or strong AC level performance, you probably be disappointed. It's more of a personal desk fan at best. Be cautious, especially if you're buying from a third-party site with no clear return policy. Have you tried BreezaMax yourself? Share your thoughts in the comments, and if this video helped, give it a like and subscribe for more honest, no-nonsense reviews.